Number three, curiosity. Curiosity is crucial, is very, very important in learning. And start modeling it yourself. So if you're a teacher and you're not curious, then you're not going to inspire your students to become curious. And the same way, if you're a parent and you know it all, then your child is not really gonna learn lots from you. So model it. Model how to be curious about the world, about people, about behavior, about anything and everything that surrounds you. Ask open questions, open-ended questions, without why, what, when, how, and listen to the answers. So they do have answers. All your kids, all your students, they do have answers. So listen to them, and listen to them with openness, with an open-minded, attitude, with compassion and empathy. Once you do this, you will notice a significant change. You will notice how much more interested they will be in learning new things and also learning from you. Curiosity, try it.